I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Uber driver account has been suspended, don't worry, there are steps you can take to unlock it. Step 1. Review suspension notice. Check your email or the Uber app for any notifications regarding your account suspension. This will provide details on why your account was suspended. Step 2. Gather required documents. Prepare any necessary documents that may be needed to appeal the suspension. This could include your driver's license, vehicle registration, or insurance information. Step 3. Contact Uber support. Open the Uber app and navigate to the help section. Select account and payment, and then I can't access my account. Follow the prompts to submit a request for assistance. Step 4. Submit an appeal. If you believe the suspension was a mistake, you can submit an appeal through the Apple website. Be clear and concise in explaining your situation and attach any relevant documents. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, keep an eye on your email for updates from Uber. If you don't hear back within a few days, consider reaching out again to check on the status. Remember, patience is key during this process. Good luck, and I hope you read back on the road soon.